Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Bank of America credit card login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Bank of America credit card login, open your web browser. Type in the Bank of America website address and press enter. On the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. Once the sign in page loads, look for the Forgot ID or Password link. Click on the Forgot ID or Password link. You will be redirected to a new page with options for retrieving your information. Choose whether you need to recover your ID, reset your password, or both. If you are recovering your ID, enter your personal details as requested, such as your social security number and account number. After entering your details, click Continue. Follow the prompts provided to verify your identity. Once verified, you will receive instructions on how to retrieve your ID. If you are resetting your password, select the option to reset it. Enter the required personal information to verify your identity, including your social security number and account number. After completing this step, click Continue. You will receive instructions to create a new password. Follow the prompts to create a strong and memorable password. Once you have completed these steps, return to the sign-in page. Enter your ID and the new password you just created. Click the Sign-in button to access your account. If you encounter further issues, consider contacting Bank of America support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.